Hi everybody, today we are going to see how to clean your bike spark plug. These are the parts of your spark plug. You have a terminal, you have a gasket, you have threads, you have electrodes, you have an insulator, you have a resistor. You can see this is how your bike spark plug will be working. You can see here in this video it is very clear how your bike spark plug will be working. When your spark plug is not working or if it is very dirty, we can follow the simple steps and we can make it as a clear one. First, remove the spark plug cover. After removing the spark plug cover, use spark plug spanner to unscrew it. You can use any type of spanners to unscrew it. Use 220 grit sandpaper on the electrode if it is black or discolored. Slide the sandpaper beneath the bent over portion of the electrode between it and the plug itself and run it back and forth until you can see a clean metal on either side. The spark plug electrode should look like bare metal. Use blower to clean the dust particles in the spark plug. Screw the spark plug. Use the spanner to tighten it. Fix the spark plug cover.